Garip discovers a narrow street where ordinary sounds shape tiny portraits, each hue aligning with a mood on a misty morning. He tests his unusual talent by listening to rain tapping a rhythm that sketches silver rivers across the pavement. Bystanders watch as his fingers move, translating whispered gusts into swirling colors that drift into the air. The city soon notices and asks him to map soundscapes for festivals, turning noise into living art. Garip smiles, knowing his peculiar gifts turn chaos into harmony, without ever explaining why to curious strangers.